Hello, I'm going to discuss my Balder Pioneer 1000 power supply, give it a little bit of a review, and what you can do with them. It's power on. Right now it's at 100% because I keep it charged every 3 months or so. You want to make sure that even if you're not using it, you want to make sure you give it a charge. This is the power in port, AC, pure sine wave technology, and then you can see all of the things you can plug in. So just regular USBs, or in the case of an 18-watt cell phone, which I have, it goes into a fast charge. And then there's the DC jack so that I can just plug in anything that runs off of a cigarette lighter. It's self-explanatory. I've also got a solar panel, which I mentioned. Um, it can also be a standalone unit. So I'm going to just do this and show you how easy that is. I'm just going to move the camera. So there's the solar panel when it's just sitting upright. Normally you'd want it at a 90-degree angle so that it can reach the sun. The little flaps in the back are a stand, and I'll show you what's inside the little pouch. It is waterproof, but not the back part. Just so you know, you can't just leave it out in the rain. So this is the back view with the two little legs put down so that it can be at the proper angle. I'll walk you around the front. So now that I've tripped over the chair, it's 4 panels, it's 120 watts, and it can run devices on its own without the battery backup. The little pouch in the back is where all of the fun things like the wires are stored. This has the ability to run many other solar generators, actually most of them, as well as some RV functions. But it also has on it its own USB jack. So you can plug a USB device right into just the solar panel by itself. So if you don't want to buy the power supply and you just have something small like cameras or a laptop, you can just plug them right into this. Right now I have it hooked up to the solar panel, which there's no sun because it's too early in the morning, but it shows you what your input is using, and it also shows you your DC watt hours remaining. I'm going to go and get my mini fridge and show you the other parts of the display. So here I'm going to hook up my mini fridge, and it's kind of important, don't turn on the power for whatever you're using or on the unit until you have gotten everything plugged in. Turn on the DC, and it's using 37 watts. Here's my mini fridge, and it shows that it's at 71 degrees because that's what my basement was at. And it's in eco mode, so it's not using a lot of power either. But just to show you what you can expect out of this. But on that note, I'm going to end my review on my Balder products, my solar panel, and my power supply. And thank you for watching.